Logical Color CozySoft Print is an extremely versatile, solvent printable premium PU heat transfer film that works on cotton, polyester, and blended fabrics. It's very soft and stretchable, and with only 2 mil thickness, CozySoft is the thinnest, opaque, printable t-shirt vinyl available. Before we print our design, we'll make sure we're using the proper ICC profile from Sign Warehouse Tech Support site. This media is solvent printable, but not compatible with aqueous ink. Now you'll notice we're also printing with registration mark since we're going to cut it out. In fact, once we move this sample from the printer to the cutter, we can go ahead and send another print job. Now with the printed media loaded straight on the cutter and oriented in the same direction that it was on the printer, let's check our pressure by cutting a test pattern. The goal is to cut the vinyl film without cutting too deeply into the liner. The clear polyester liner makes it more forgiving than some printable films. One of the best ways to accomplish this is to use a 45-degree blade and a recommended force of about 75 to 80 grams. If you're using a QE or Q-series plotter, start with a force at around 14, then do a test cut and see how easy it is to weed. If we're happy with the test cut, we can set an origin point inside the first registration mark and send the cut job, which should be queued and holding in Production Manager. CozySoft Print's self-adhesive carrier makes the cut design easy to weed with the right tools, such as a weeding pick or a 45-degree plotter blade. Next, we need to mask our design with heat transfer tape. We have our design on a flat surface facing up, and we lay the tape across the top, using the squeegee to force out any air pockets or bubbles. We'll cut away some of the excess tape so that we have an easy, manageable size to apply to our garment. The recommended temperature is 320 degrees Fahrenheit, pressed for 15 seconds with medium to firm pressure. We also recommend using a geonite pyrometer to make sure your temperature is accurate. Once the press is hot enough, we remove the release liner, position our media onto the garment, cover it with a Teflon sheet, and lower the handle to engage the press. Once our time is up, we can lift the lever to raise the press. Just a quick fan of the shirt to let it vent for a few seconds. And now, while the target region is still warm, we can peel away the tape, and there we go. If we don't get a good press, we may want to confirm the temperature and maybe add a little more pressure. It may also help to let the shirt set a few more seconds off the press before peeling. Lastly, check the fabric, as some garments, especially performance apparel, have an adhesive-resistant coating. A plain cotton tee is the best way to test the ease and quality of Logical Color CozySoft Print. But in case you run into any difficulties, here are some helpful questions and answers to help you troubleshoot.